protection. Save them now, save them now.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to That Vegan Teacher's Breakfast. This is something that you call chia pudding. It was made overnight in my fridge. Now I know to some of you guys it probably looks like a bunch of moldy things, but I don't know why it looks like that on camera, but it's so good, right guys? Right? Yes. Okay, it's chia pudding. Basically you put some plant-based milk in a bowl like this, or in a, I don't know what you call this, some sort of a plate bowl. And I use this because you can put a lid on it after. And then you soak it overnight with some chia seeds. This is 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with a whole bunch of blueberries and a whole bunch of raspberries and some banana. And that's it. And you just let it sit overnight. And when you wake up, ta-da! It's all ready. So for those of you who are having your Happy Vegan Declaration Day, Happy Vegan Declaration Day! Thanks for being here today.
Chia seeds have omega-3. Come on, sing this song with me. Chia seeds have omega-3. Grind them up and sing yippee. As you see them in your pancakes, your oatmeal, and in your daily smoothie.
Responding to comments, and yours is next. And you write that you didn't really know what to think of me at first, and then I started to grow on you. You mean like a wart? Like a weed? Like bacteria? Listen, I understand. Like, I can barely live with myself sometimes. But you know, like, that's just who I am. I mean, God just made us, or the universe, or whatever, and we're just sort of trying to be the best versions of ourselves. And it's really hard to try to get the message out of veganism in this world. So we gotta try all kinds of stuff, you know? Gotta be silly sometimes, gotta be, serious sometimes, and then sometimes music helps, like whatever. Anyway, I'm really glad that you had an open enough mind to come over here and try to understand me. So thank you so much for that.
Go fruit yourself, go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan, go fruit yourself. Go fruit yourself. Stop hurting animals. Go vegan.
Responding to random comments, and yours is next. So you think that my video was funny, and it's the first time that you saw that I was funny. Well, you know, I'm here on social media to raise awareness about the animals who are suffering, and there's actually nothing funny about that. You know, if you Google the documentaries I'm always talking about, like Dominion movement, you just go to watchdominion.com. If you just go there, or to earthlinks.com, you'll see the real reason that I'm here. Now, of course, I also joke around sometimes because that's a way to keep your attention, because nobody actually wants to look at the issue. But my heart is really with the animals, and I really hope that you will stick to this channel and subscribe to it for the value that it gives, because I'm here to encourage you to eat as healthy as you can, but mostly to care about the animals.
No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not. No need to ask me why my dog is vegan. Instead, ask yourself why yours is not.
Responding to random comments, and yours is next. You're saying that jelly beans are good, and I know they taste good. And before I became vegan, I used to eat them too. And then I found out about the ingredients inside of jelly beans. They contain something called gelatin. So anytime you're buying a candy, any kind of candy that contains gelatin, you should know that you are paying for somebody to kill a pig or a cow to get that ingredient, because it comes from the ligaments, the bones, and the skin of these innocent animals. I know it seems crazy that they have these products inside candies because they don't really need to, but they do. So I encourage you to read the labels and try to find vegan versions of things. For example, there are vegan marshmallows and there are vegan gummy bears. So don't buy gelatin, okay?
Gelatin is a protein obtained by boiling the skin, tendons, ligaments, and bones of cows or pigs. This is a friendly reminder that animals are here with us, not for us. Before you pay a breeder, go to a shelter and see who might need you over there. Hello, you lovely human being, you. So apparently you feel it's important to tell me what age you think I look like. So I'm wondering what that has to do with anything. Are you actually listening to the words that I'm telling you, which is that we shouldn't be hurting animals? Would you like to maybe comment about that? Maybe just write something like helpful. Like you could write something like, hey, Miss Katie, good point. I'm going to start to cut down on the animals that I'm eating. And I would say that's great. Maybe you could say, Miss Katie, you know what? I looked into the egg industry and I realized that they crush the baby boy chicks at just 1 day old because they're considered to be useless in the industry. So I've decided to stop eating eggs. That would also be great. Or maybe you could write to me that you watch the important documentaries that I'm always recommending. One of them is watchdominion.com and the other one is earthlings.com. That would be great. That would be maybe a little bit more helpful than your comment. What do you think?
Pigs are friends, not food, not bacon, sausage, or ham. Eat peanut butter, banana, and dance to this vegan jam. Don't eat chickens, cows, cats, or dogs, or even a single lamb. Happy Vegan Declaration Day.
Responding to comments, and yours is next. So first of all, I want to thank you very much for having an open mind and being willing to use your critical thinking skills to see for yourself what I'm all about. There are absolutely thousands and thousands of videos over on TikTok and on YouTube which try to twist my words. But the truth is I'm here for the animals, and I can see that you finally see that. Now I know that you might not be vegan yet because it takes 100 clicks to become vegan. You gotta get the message into your head, gotta get it into your heart, but you're at the right place to start. And if you just watch the important documentaries that I mention all the time, you'll really get it, okay? Please do that. Go and watch earthlings.com, and the other one is called watchdominion.com. I'll put them on the screen here after. Thank you so much for being here, and remember that if you ever need any advice, you can go to any of the sites, like you can Google vegan recipes, you can Google vegan athletes, okay? And of course I'm here.
Go vegan. This is an animal who didn't want to die. This is vegan food, you should give it a try. This was someone's baby that should make you cry. This is vegan food, it should make you smile, it's something you should buy.
Responding to comments, and yours is next. And you write that you don't want to be vegan. Now, I totally get it. I understand where you're coming from. Nobody wants to stop eating the foods that they're used to eating. But veganism is about helping the animals. And anyway, look at this. Look at this. This is my local ice cream place. They have vegan options here. And it's so much better than paying for the cycle of violence that is the dairy industry. Most people don't realize that the baby cows are taken away from their mothers and killed so that humans can steal the milk to make ice cream. You can also get a vegan milkshake. Look at that, made with plant milks instead of the stolen milk from a cow. Here's another option. just a simple vegan ice cream cone. You can get chocolate or vanilla. Go vegan!
Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Thank you to everybody who came here today with an open heart and an open mind. And thank you for realizing that veganism isn't extreme. It's just the least we can do. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.
Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to love animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. Veganism isn't extreme, but let me tell you what is. Teaching our children to care for animals and then teaching them that we can harm those we love. That is extreme. Veganism isn't extreme. It's true love. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's put our empathy into action. Miss Katie will show us how.